Hello, I'm in a 2015 Buick Encore, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your traction control. So here, push this once to turn it off, and again to turn it on. And you'll see on the dash as well an indicator here when it's turned off, that traction control off symbol. And then when that symbol's gone, that means your traction control's on. And if you're having issues with this symbol or something very much like it not going away, that might be an indication that something's broken, say maybe in your suspension or sensor or something like that. So you could double check that with a code reader in your OBD2 port, see if that might lead you in the right direction. But usually you want your traction control turned on. Situations you might turn it off for is if you're driving in a lot of really rough road conditions like loose gravel, mud, ice, stuff like that. Say for example, you're stuck in the mud and trying to get out, you might turn it off just so the wheels aren't spinning a certain way. In larger vehicles, you might have it turned off as well if you're towing. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.